everyone in Python tutorial for beginner series. In this video tutorial, I will show you how conditional statements work in Python. In programming, decision making play a very important role because if we don't want to execute a complete code, we want to execute only some part of code based on certain conditions is satisfied. So for that, we are using these type of conditional statements in Python for decision making, like if statement, if else statement, if elif else statement, nested if else statement. We will discuss about all these type of statements one by one. Okay, so first let me open this demo.python file which I have created. If you don't know how to create Python file, then just you need to go to file in the shell and just click new file and then just save this file at your specific location by giving some name. So you will be having this type of file, like my Python file name is demo.py. Okay, now let's see how if statements work. So for example, I want to check whether the given number is positive or not using if statement. So I prefer to ask the user to enter a number and I am converting it to an integer. Then I have saved in the variable called n. And now I am going to check given input number is positive or not with the help of if statement. Okay, so how you can write if statement? Just write if keyword and then the condition n greater than 0. After this, you need to give colon here, because if you will not give colon, you will get an error invalid syntax. So after putting colon, Python will consider this is as a condition, and when I press enter after colon, I will be inside the if condition. You can see the indentation here. It means you are inside if condition. So always remember, when you write this type of code, you need to always provide an indentation here. Indentation means space or tab. If you don't provide this space or tab here, you will get a syntax error. Expected an indentation block. So always provide an indentation or just give a tab before your statement. So here I am checking if user enter a value and then that value n is greater than 0. What I am going to do is, I am going to print this message, entered number is positive. Okay, so this is complete if statement code. Now just save this program and run it. It will run in this shell and it asking the user to enter a number. If I enter a number 5 and press enter, it will give me the message entered number is positive. Now if I run this program again and if I enter a number -3 and press enter, now nothing happened. Python is not displaying any message because here we are checking number is greater than 0 and here I have given a number -3 which is less than 0. So this condition is not satisfied. I am displaying the message for number which are greater than 0. So now what we need to do is we need to write the message for numbers which are less than 0. Okay, so here what I can do is I can just write else condition. And this else condition should start from here, no space, but we need to add colon after else and press enter. So the statement inside your else condition start after the indentation. Just write your statement here. So here in else part, I am printing a message, entered number is negative. Okay, just save this program again and run it. If I enter a number -3 and press enter, Python will give me the message entered number is negative. Correct? So now as we are entering negative number -3, so it is checking the else condition, and in else condition we are printing entered number is negative. So that's why Python is displaying enter number is negative if I type -3. Okay, so in this way we can write if else statement. If this condition n greater than 0 is satisfied, then flow will go to inside the if condition and Python will display this message. If this condition n greater than 0 is not satisfied, then flow will go to inside the else condition and Python will display entered number is negative. Okay, and always remember that your code if statement or else statement don't have any space here. But the code which you write inside the if or else statement should have this kind of indentation here. Right? And it is not necessary that you can only give one line of code inside your if or else condition. You can give multiple lines of code inside your condition. So here in if condition, I am adding one more statement. You have entered a positive number. And here also in else condition, I am adding one more statement. You have entered a negative number. Okay, just save this program and run it again. If I enter a number -3 and press enter, it displays both the message. Entered number is negative and you have entered a negative number. Okay, now one more thing I want to discuss with you is that how to come out from this if else condition. How I can tell Python that this else condition is now closed or this if else condition is now over, so that your next code after if else condition should be execute. For example, I want to execute this statement. I am outside if else condition. If I write this statement just below this statement which comes under else condition, then this statement also will come under else condition. So how to write? What we have to do is there should not be any space before this statement. So this will be considered as different code and it will not include in if else condition. So now if I save this program and run it, here if I give 5 for example and press enter, now you can see it gives me 3 statements. So Python execute this code which comes under if statement and then it executes another code which I want to execute after my if else condition. Okay, so it means if you want to write some other code after if else condition, you just start from no space. So I can say indentation play a very important role in Python. So in this way you can use if else statement in Python. Okay, so till now you have handled 2 conditions, if condition or else condition. You are checking the given number is either positive or negative. Now for example, if I enter 0 instead of some negative or positive number, we are not handling any condition for 0. We are handling only for positive numbers or for negative numbers. So we need to handle more than 2 conditions also. We need to handle multiple conditions. So what we have to do is we need to handle multiple conditions using elif statement. For example, if I write here elif, which also means else if, okay, and then I can check one more condition and double equals to 0. Why I am writing double equals to? Because I am comparing n variable with 0. I am not going to assign any value to n. I am just comparing value n with 0. Okay, and then colon and press enter. So here after indentation, you can write the statement under this condition which handles 0. So we can display you have entered 0. Okay, now just save this program and run it. And here if I entered 0, now you can see Python is displaying you have entered 0. Okay, so in this way we can handle multiple conditions using elif statements. Okay, apart from these many scenarios, let me discuss one more scenario with you. For example, let me run this program again. And if I enter number 5 and press enter, Python will tell that this number is positive. Correct? Now I want to know more detail about this number. For example, I want to know whether this number is odd or even. So how to handle this type of scenario in your existing code? What we need to do is we need to add one more if else condition inside your if condition. So that is called nested if else condition. Means one more if else condition inside the if condition. So first I'll remove this statement and here I am going to write if keyword after indentation. We need to put condition n modulus 2 double equals to 0. And then in the last colon. Then in the next line I will display this message, entered number is positive and even. And in else part I am displaying a message, entered number is positive and odd. Okay, so what is happening here is in first if condition we are checking whether number is positive or not. If number is positive, flow will go inside the if condition. So here we are checking again one more condition using nested if condition, whether the number is even or odd. If number modulus 2 is 0, means it is divisible by 2, then the entered number is even number. So Python will display entered number is positive and even. If number modulus 2 is not equal to 0, then flow will go to nested else part, and it will display entered number is positive and odd. So just save this program and run it. Then I am going to enter number 5 and press enter. So here you can see it is displaying the entered number is positive and odd. It means flow will go first main if condition because number is positive, and then it will go to nested else part because 5 modulus 2 is not equal to 0. It will be 1. Okay, so it will display this message. Entered number is positive and odd. And then flow will come out first from the inner if else code. Then flow will come out from the main outer if else code, and Python will display this message which is outside the if else code. So this is all about nested if else condition. Okay, so in this way we can use if condition, else if condition and nested if else condition in Python. So I hope you understand this concept. I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.